Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to connect Spotify to Google Maps on your iPhone, or how to use Spotify inside Google Maps on your iPhone. The first thing you'll need to do is go into the Spotify app. Once in the app, you're going to tap on the settings cog in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to select voice and assistance and apps. You're going to scroll all the way down and you'll simply tap on it right here, and from here you'll see Google Maps, play music and podcasts in Google Maps, and you'll simply tap on connect. And as you can see, it's asking for authorization right here. You agree that Google Maps will be able to view and all of that, and you'll simply tap on agree, and it will automatically open up in Google Maps, and you will tap on allow. As you can see right here, connect a media player, and you'll tap on Google Maps. As you can see there, it's connected. So now you'll be able to use Spotify while using Google Maps on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.